Hello guys, welcome to Toy Stories TV. Today, Peppa and George will visit the zoo and see different animals. Let's see what animals are there. First, here the horse. There's mommy horse and there's a little horsey. Next one. It's mommy donkey and baby donkey. There's mommy cow, baby cow, and there's mommy pig, and little piggy. There's also a giraffe. And a tiger. Ah. There's a sheep. And a little lamb. How nice. And there's mommy goat. A little baby. And there's a zebra. And a very big dog. Ooh, it's a really big dog. Wow, George, look at all these animals, says Peppa. Which one do you like most? Dinosaur, says George. George, there's no dinosaurs in the zoo. There are no real dinosaurs. Tiger then. George likes the tiger. And I really love the horses. Mommy horse and little horsey are really cute. I'd love to ride a horsey someday. Maybe we can ask Mommy Pig and she'll take us to the ponies. That would be a really good idea, wouldn't it? And which is your favorite animal? All the animals are really nice and they're beautiful to look at. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for Toy Stories TV for more videos. Thank you, says Peppa Pig. Thank you.